So good day guys, I'm washing the dishes. Amke's kitchen, woo! Woo! I like cooking, but I don't like to wash the dishes. My God, that's my biggest problem. So another 10 minutes to go. So guys, the dishwasher is finished, you see? And it's fantastic girl. So, look at the steam. My God. Always you gotta open it up so the steam comes out, you know. Let's have a look, see the dishes. Woo! It's still hot. No, it's right. So there goes my dishes. You see, everything is washed. Amke's kitchen! Woo! And there goes the top part. That's how I like to clean up my dishes. Woo! So dishwasher. So, no, I like cooking, but I hate cleaning up the dishes, washing up the dishes. I hate it. So I just have to leave it on to get the steam out all the time. It takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes to wash the dishes. It even comes from Europe, made in Europe, guys. And this is the dishwasher that I use, the tablet. You see, all the time. So thanks guys for watching. See you later.